Upcycling is one of my hobbies. There are so many ways we can upcycle old clothing. For instance, on this plain old shirt, I used Cricut to design and cut the applique and transformed it into a brand new shirt. I thought it would be cute to add an elongated boho rainbow applique at the back of the shirt. I start in the Cricut Design Space. I didn't have any Cricut subscriptions, so I drag and drop a circle shape, stretch it, then multiply it. I multiply several oval shapes, each smaller than the previous one. Then I use the slice tool to slice out 4 oval-shaped rings, making sure all the rings are aligned. Once they're all cut out, I weld them all into one shape. Now I'm ready to add the cloud. Again, I start with a circle shape, multiply it, and group them into a cloud shape. Then using the weld tool, I make them into one gigantic cloud shape. This cloud shape is then duplicated. Next, I need to attach the clouds to the rainbow. First, I trim off the bottom part of the rainbow. From here, I duplicate the 2 clouds so that I can use one of them to slice out the excess part of the rainbow after joining the clouds. Here we are. All the excess shapes are removed and we have our boho rainbow. It is now ready for Cricut cutting. I'm using my Cricut Maker 3 unbonded cotton fabric to cut my boho rainbow. Next up, weeding the boho rainbow, attaching it to the shirt, and finally adding some zigzag stitching to finish the job. Voila! Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you think, and I always love to hear your comments and ideas. Thank you.